Well, Fluid Freeride sent me a new rear fender slash brake light. However, they forgot to include the plastic clips that these wires go into. So this is going to be interesting. I don't know if I have to unpin the other ones and then pin those ones in, but let's get the scooter up on the milk crates and we'll take a look. Well, I'm not sure what plugs into what here, but we can find out pretty easy. Let's turn the headlights on. The running light. And the brake light still doesn't work. Wonderful. Had to print up a wiring diagram to figure out what was going on. And now we have a brake light. Amazing. There were a couple of wires up here that were disconnected. They told me at Fluid Freeride, you don't need to use any of those wires. No, they don't do anything. Well, they obviously do something. So let's hope that that fixes and solves the problem so we don't have to go through this situation again. I think we fixed it. It's a waste of time. Messing around with all this stuff, tearing it apart, putting it back together. Absolutely ridiculous. All that nonsense for nothing because a wire was disconnected that I was told not to connect. And I had to pull a wiring diagram up to figure out what the heck was going on. You should never listen to other people if your intuition is telling you that something isn't right. And I had a thought that there's no way that all those wires are supposed to be disconnected. So anyways, that problem solved. Well, let's take it for a spin, see if I can do one of two things. Either get stranded because it breaks down again and have to call Willow for a ride, or the cops pull me over. At this point, either one would be totally fine with me. Let's go. You guys just witnessed my first crash, and strangely enough, it didn't hurt as bad as it looked. Probably because I got all this armor on. It'll probably hurt later when the adrenaline wears off. Hurt the scooter worse than it hurt me. But I took a nice roll, so that was fun. What else can go wrong today, right? But I have pants on so my legs didn't get skinned up. Lesson learned, make sure you have both hands on the handlebars when you squeeze the accelerator. It's really hard to make this thing go slow. Alright guys, hope you like that wind noise footage there from the GoPro. And you guys got to witness my first crash on this thing. I rode about 22 miles, we're down to 60%. We probably started around 90% though, because scooter's just been sitting here. I haven't charged it at all, so everything seems to work the way it should. Brake lights work. I even got the turn signals to work. Look at that. Do-it-yourself turn signals, huh? You like that? Right on. But yeah, I'm still undecided on the whole scooter thing. We'll have to test it more when we're back out in the middle of nowhere, because that's what I bought it for. I didn't buy it to ride around town. That's not very much fun. It's more fun to drive on the Forest Service roads with it. But hopefully I don't have a total failure like that again. But if I do, I still have a warranty, so there's that. Other than that, I think that's probably going to be it for this episode, guys. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But as always, hope you're staying safe, taking care of each other, and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.